Here's a comparison between Ryne AI and Turnitin. On Ryne AI, it is an undetectable AI when you can try for free and you can use a demo. In here, you can go ahead and see a humanizer bot. So you can use your projects here without being detected that you are using an AI. On the other hand, Turnitin is bring transparency to the writing process with the clarity options that they have. So this is just like any other AI which can help educators and students to uphold academic integrity. So you can use this also without detecting AI. Now here's a table concise comparison. For the primary goal, Ryne AI is a humanized AI generated text, and Turnitin is the text similarity and originality in submitted academic work. Next is the methodology. On Ryne AI, it uses adversarial and paraphrasing and context-aware rewriting to create fundamentally new text, while Turnitin is AI-generated content. Enrolled in education, Ryne AI is undetectable, while Turnitin upholds integrity. So if you want to use AI without being detected, Ryne is the good one for you. But if you want to uphold integrity, then Turnitin is the good one for you.